What's up, guys? I know it's been a while. Hopefully you enjoyed this video of me installing my MAPerformance exhaust for the BRZ. In other words, the GR86 as well. But everything's all stock, so just keep that in mind. Enjoy the video. So it comes with 3 boxes. I'm assuming this one was with the hardware. You don't know where I live. It comes with the hardware, the gasket, and then this one, I don't know. Oh wow. Wow, these actually look sick. These actually look pretty cool, guys. Oh, these look so nice. I like to pre-build my exhaust, so I'm gonna pre-build it out here just to play it safe before I fully install it. That's just me. Oh, this is the muffler. Nice. I'm not gonna lie, it feels pretty heavy. Jesus. Get the pub. Get the pub. I don't know, I always like their branding logo when they like brand it on their pipes. I never have one of their exhausts, but I've seen other people's videos of more welding. It looks fun. Not gonna lie, man, this this looks pretty sick, guys. Look at that. Mind the coffee right there. Most likely going to here. And the donut, or the piece that's in the middle, will go right here. So it closes in a lot better. The adapter that you asked, or the adapter you buy separately, or when you check out, it tells you if you want it. Gasket. This mid piece, mid pipe. Like I said, resonator leads, clamping, more towards the back, more mid. Clamp this here, muffler, and then you clip the tips. So yeah. Alright, so some jack stands, wood on the front, from rear and the front of the tire. Again, wood on the front and the back. Alright, so I finally took everything out from the remark, and now it's time to put on the MAPerformance.
I don't get paid enough.
Huh?
I don't get paid enough.
You know?
I go to your mom. ¿Me puede pagar más? Four hours later.
5 hours later.
Yeah, so it's stripped. We didn't do anything. We were just trying to like loosen it up till we readjust it. Next thing you know, it got stuck and boom, it snapped. They need a better clip or clamping. So, oh well. Alright, so now it's looking a lot better now, guys. So these things come in clutch. So I went to AutoZone and bought these because those in stock suck, man. Both of them already broke on me. So look at this. I tried to do it inward so it doesn't look awkward. But yeah. So see how this goes now. hopefully you enjoyed watching that video. I did replace my Remark Elite Spec catback exhaust. It's a little deeper, it's a little louder, not much huge difference, but the huge difference is the cold start. Man, I shouldn't go any louder than that since I live in an apartment complex. I legit don't really hear any drone with this exhaust. I really love it, especially since I drive on the freeway pretty often. When you put your foot on the throttle, obviously you'll hear the exhaust much louder, but when you're just cruising, no drone. I really like this exhaust. I definitely would buy this exhaust, but honestly, they definitely need to get better clips for the tips because both of them broke on me. I know they come with like the solution. They're like, I guess like it's like Loctite or to smoothen out the thread, but there's a lot of threads out there that don't like, or other exhausts that have threads that don't even need that, yet they do perfectly fine. Yet with this one, I was hand tightening it and it will get stuck. It will get spin into the same spot over and over. But I did get with them on email, but they're willing to send me replacements, but especially the clip that's in the middle, that's connected to like the mid pipe to right before the muffler, because when I was hand tightening it, you could kind of hear like it's about to like fall apart, and I'm like, yo, what's up with this? Their customer service has been really genuine about replacing the pieces, but I'll just stick to the AutoZone clips that I got from them. They looks like they do a lot better without having to do all the extra stuff. But yeah, thank you for watching. It means a lot if you've gone this far. I recommend this exhaust, but I just hope they replace those clamps, man, because they're not that great. I've been seeing other people have the same problem as me, but oh well. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Have a good day, whichever time zone you're in. Until next time.